A new witness that could change the Wesley Hadsell case. Federal lawyers say it could link Wesley to the death and disappearance of his adopted daughter, AJ.
News Channel 3's Gabriella DeLuca broke the story online earlier today, and she's live in the control room with more.
Barbara and Les, these federal court documents laying out the stunning claims, the allegation Hadsell confessed to being involved in AJ's death. Hadsell's former lawyers tell me he thinks this may be one of Hadsell's cellmates who came up with the new claim. For a year, no one has known exactly what happened to AJ Hadsell. But now, the same week she disappeared last year, Wesley Hadsell's public defenders say there's a new witness who may connect him to AJ's death. Wesley is AJ's adoptive father. This is video of News Channel 3 previously interviewing him in jail. He's serving time for a federal weapons charge as part of a plea agreement. Just this week, his attorneys withdrew from his case after they learned they also represent that new witness in another case, something a legal analyst calls a conflict of interest.
They have an absolute duty to protect that defendant at all costs. And when that lawyer is already representing another individual that may have a conflict with that defendant, they can't represent both parties.
Federal court documents say this new witness, who isn't named, hopes to receive a reduced sentence for testifying against Hadsell.
When you are helpful to the federal courts in a case, you actually get the benefit of significant benefit for that help.
AJ Hadsell disappeared this time last year. Police eventually found her body behind an abandoned home in Southampton County. That's when detectives arrested Wesley for unrelated charges, then charged him with possession of ammunition in federal court. He was to be sentenced next month, but this new information may lead to new and more serious charges. Now, I also spoke to Wesley's mother today. She says she's confident her son never confided in anyone because he had nothing to do with AJ's disappearance. In the control room, Gabriella DeLuca, News Channel 3.